Hello students, we know the in the chapter force, the formula of calculating force is F is equal to m into a. M is the mass, a is the acceleration. So acceleration is calculated by using formula v by t, that is velocity by t. So velocity, there are two types of velocities. One is linear velocity and angular velocity. So 1.2 square divided by r. R is the radius. R is the radius. The length of rope itself becomes the radius. Length of rope will become the radius. R becomes 1.2. So divide v square by r, you get 0.96 meter per second square. That is the value of angular acceleration or circular acceleration. So taking the value of that acceleration to the formula, F is equal to m into a Newton. M is the mass of the object, it is given 5 kg, into a is the angular acceleration in this case because it is rotating type of problem. So a is equal to 0.96 meter per second square. So multiplying 5 into 0.96, you will get 4.8 Newton. So this is the centripetal force which is pulling the object away from the center. So let's take one more example of finding the centrifugal force. So what is centrifugal force? The force which pulls the rotating object towards its center. Which pulls the object towards its center is called a centrifugal force. Let's take one simple example of finding the centrifugal force. A car is moving in a circular path. Car is moving in a circular path of radius 200 meters with a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So this is the linear velocity. whatever the speed of car is given, it is linear velocity. If the mass of the car is 1000 kg, find the centrifugal force of acting on the car. So the data are given, mass is given 10,000 kg, radius is 200 meters, and linear velocity is given. You may observe here, that's important. Linear velocity is given, v is equal to 50 km per hour. So linear velocity, we have to convert it into meter per hour, meter per second. 50 kilo means 1000, 50,000 per hour, it is 3600 seconds. So 50,000 divided by 3600, we get 125 by 9 meter per second. So acceleration, angular acceleration, you should be careful. Angular acceleration is equal to v square by r. V, the value of v is 125 by 9, squaring both, divided by the radius 2000. 125 square divided by 9 square divided by 2000, we get 0.96 meter per second square. Just multiply the value of mass, we know 1000 kg, but the angular acceleration we have calculated 0.96, we get 960 Newton. That is the centrifugal force acting on the car while rotating on the circular path is 960 Newtons. So in this way we can calculate the value of centripetal and centrifugal forces using the suitable formula F is equal to m into a, where we have to calculate the angular acceleration. That's the important one. We have to convert the linear velocity into angular acceleration by using the formula angular acceleration is equal to v square by r, and then substituting in the formula we can calculate the centripetal or centrifugal force acting on a rotating object. So thank you, thanks for watching.